Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can just add a drop-down menu in your Wix site. So to do that, you have to first click on this button, as you can see, pages and menus, and select the home page or the page you have to add in the drop-down menu. I want to add in the page option, home option, or in the about section. I want to add. Just click on the add page or add your page, whatsoever pages. So I am adding here a blank page. So now, as you can see, my page has been added. Here a blank page, a new page. So click on this three dot and click on this button, sub page. So this sub page has been a drop down menu to about site. So just save it and let us preview it. It is working or not. So we can just see by here also. If you want to preview, it has been saved automatically, or we can save manually also. You can go as a preview option. So as you can see here, a drop down menu is called new page. You have to click on this new page. So as you can see, I have not added any content because of that. It is blank, and when you will click at your home button, as you can see, it will be there. So as you can see in the home button, it is there. So you can just click on this about and you can see the drop down menu. This is the way how you can add a drop down menu and more other pages. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.